All right, Don, before I call to apply for a mortgage with you, what information do I need to have prepared?
There's three areas that we deal with primarily, Matt. The first one is we need your personal information. So we need your name, your date of birth, your social insurance number, where you live, where you work, primarily. Then we're going to discuss, we're going to discuss down payment. How much equity do you have available? Where's it coming from? We need to know, is it coming as a gift? Did you save it? Did your grandma give it to you? Where's that money coming from? Banks are very uncomfortable with sock money. Money from underneath your mattress. It can't do that, okay? There's anti-money laundering laws in this country, and we have to document where the down payment's coming from. So it's important we have that information. Second thing we're going to talk to you about is we're going to talk to you about your credit. So we're going to take enough information from you that we're going to pull a credit bureau. And a credit bureau really does three things for us, Matt. It gives us a historical record. It tells me back 6 years, all the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's going to tell me all the bills you paid and all the ones you didn't. Second thing it's going to do for me, it's going to give me a snapshot of today. So it's going to tell me what loans or credit cards you now have that are active, what the balances are, and what the minimum monthly payments are, so I can fit that into your budget. And thirdly, and most importantly, it's going to give me a credit rating. It's going to give me what we call your Beacon score. Beacon scores range between 450 and 850. It's important to know that number. For example, you have to have a minimum of 600 to qualify for a mortgage in Canada. So you're 595, sorry, you don't qualify. And we discuss with you some of the things that can affect your credit bureau. So we review it with you and go over it with you in detail so that you fully understand that there's not erroneous or incorrect information, what you can do to improve your score, what you should not do that can affect your score. So 600 is going to be your minimum score. At 650, there's other options and other products available to you. At 680, there's other products available to you. As an example, if you're self-employed and you want to buy a home with 10% down, you can with no verification of income. You're going to get a fully discounted rate. You don't have to prove your income, but you have to have a score of 720, Matt. So if you're 680, you don't qualify for that product. So there's different products based on your credit score. And then thirdly, we talked to you about your income. Where do you work? How long have you worked there? And how do you get paid? And when I say how do you get paid, I mean, are you getting paid by the hour? Are you on salary? Do you get a bonus? Are you paid piecework? Do you get overtime? Because each one of those forms of income are treated differently by the lenders, so I need to know exactly how you make your money. And from that, we can complete the whole process from there. That's all we need.
Okay.
Okay?
Great. Thank you.
All right.